Welcome to this comprehensive guide on top job boards and career platforms. In this series, we'll explore the leading websites that connect job seekers with employers. Whether you're just starting your career or looking for a change, understanding which platforms to use is crucial for your job search success. Throughout this video, we'll compare the major platforms, understand their strengths, and develop a strategic approach to finding your next opportunity. Let's start by looking at the top 3 job platforms. Indeed dominates with over 250 million jobs posted monthly, making it the #1 platform for job volume. LinkedIn boasts over 1 billion users worldwide, establishing itself as the premier professional networking platform. Glassdoor stands out with more than 50 million company reviews, making it the go-to source for company insights and employee experiences. Each platform has its unique strengths and serves different purposes in your job search strategy. Indeed is the largest job board in the world. The platform offers a massive volume of jobs across every industry and job level imaginable. One of Indeed's greatest strengths is its Instant Apply feature, which lets you apply to positions with just one click. This makes Indeed incredibly efficient for high-volume job searching. The mobile app is also excellent, allowing you to search and apply to jobs on the go. Indeed's market dominance means that most employers post their openings here, so it should be your primary source for finding available positions. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network with over 1 billion users. Unlike Indeed, LinkedIn is more than just a job board. It's a platform for professional networking and personal branding. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn for candidates, so a complete profile can lead to direct opportunities. LinkedIn also provides job recommendations based on your profile and activity. The platform allows you to connect with professionals in your field, follow companies you're interested in, and even message recruiters directly. Think of LinkedIn as your online professional identity. Glassdoor is unique because it focuses on transparency and company insights. The platform hosts over 50 million reviews written by employees, giving you an authentic look at what it's like to work at different companies. You can read about company culture, management style, work-life balance, and real salary information from people who actually work there. This research is invaluable before applying to a position. Beyond reviews, Glassdoor also lists job openings, making it a dual-purpose platform for both research and applications. Beyond the big 3, specialized platforms serve specific needs. ZipRecruiter uses artificial intelligence to match job seekers with positions, automatically sending you personalized job recommendations. It's particularly useful if you want the platform to do some of the searching work for you. USA Jobs is the official government job portal for federal positions. If you're interested in public sector work or government employment, USA Jobs is where all federal job openings are posted. These platforms complement your main job search strategy by targeting specific career paths and employment sectors. Monster is one of the oldest job boards on the internet and still maintains a significant job database. Beyond job listings, Monster offers career advice, resume writing services, and interview preparation resources. Google Jobs is different. It's not a job board itself, but rather an aggregator. Google Jobs pulls listings from Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and hundreds of other job sites into one unified search interface. This means you can search across multiple platforms simultaneously through Google, saving you time in your job hunting process. For specialized career paths, niche job boards are invaluable. Tech-focused boards specialize in developer roles, information technology positions, and startup opportunities. Remote work platforms specifically feature jobs where you can work from anywhere in the world. Creative boards focus on design, marketing, media production, and artistic positions. These specialized platforms attract companies looking for specific skill sets and career types. If you have a specialized skill or work in a niche industry, these boards should be part of your search strategy because they target your exact career space. When comparing job platforms, several features matter most. Job volume is critical. Indeed leads with over 250 million positions. LinkedIn excels in networking capabilities with its 1 billion user base. Glassdoor dominates in company reviews with 50 million employee reviews. Application speed matters too. Indeed's one-click apply system is the fastest, while LinkedIn and Glassdoor require more detailed submissions. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right platform for your specific needs. Some platforms are better for quantity, while others excel at quality and connections. Indeed and LinkedIn serve different primary purposes, though both list jobs. Indeed is built for volume and speed. You'll find the most job listings here, and the application process is quick. Indeed suits you if you want to apply to many positions rapidly. LinkedIn is built for professional networking and recruiter connections. Your profile acts as your resume, and recruiters often search for candidates directly without job postings. LinkedIn suits you if you prefer quality over quantity and want to build long-term professional relationships. The ideal approach is to use both platforms simultaneously, leveraging their different strengths. Your job search strategy should combine multiple platforms. For high-volume searching, start with Indeed Daily to catch new listings, use Google Jobs for a broad scan across all platforms, and let ZipRecruiter send you AI-matched opportunities. For professional networking, optimize your LinkedIn profile first because recruiters will see it. Research companies thoroughly on Glassdoor before applying to understand their culture and salary ranges. For specialized roles, use niche boards that match your industry. This multi-platform approach maximizes your exposure to opportunities while leveraging each platform's unique strengths. Remember these 4 critical takeaways for job search success. First, use multiple platforms simultaneously rather than relying on just one. Second, optimize your LinkedIn profile first because it's your professional identity that recruiters see. Third, research companies on Glassdoor before applying to understand what you're getting into. Fourth, leverage niche job boards if you work in specialized fields or have specific skill requirements. Success in your job search comes from strategic use of multiple platforms, each tailored to different aspects of your career goals. Now, you have the knowledge to approach your job search strategically and effectively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.